Mdu had that nice thing of, he was good in that. It was a beautiful sound, you know? He could kill that sound. And Kwaito back then, when Mdu used to go, it was so beautiful, man. I used to love Kwaito back then. It was just wonderful because it wasn't complicated. They were not trying to say too many words. Keep it simple, you know? Simple songs. Sadama Crips, Sadagwa, Sadama Crips, yeah, very nice. Sure. Simple. To the point, straightforward to the point. You understand what's going on. It's simple. There's nothing complicated about that. But it's powerful. You know? Don't use too many words. A sentence is a verb only. You can have a sentence which is only a verb. You know, people realize that now. About spikos, you know, see a drive, a verb. See a swim, a verb. Ye, birthday yam, ye, verb. Yeah. No, very, verb. No, verb. No, don't make a mistake, eh? It's called a copulative. 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 Yeah, no. It's scale. No, I learned it at school. Yeah, I learned it in Zulu class, you know, it's scale. Yeah, in class less Zulu, so you copulative. Yeah, well, and you were not there, not paying attention. No network. You don't even need a verb for a Kwaito song. You can have a Kwaito song without verbs. In fact, that's a great Kwaito song. Great Kwaito songs don't have verbs. You know? Think of the great Kwaito songs of all time. Menwana pezulu. Menwana pezulu. Noun preposition. Noun preposition. Aina verb. Totally no verb. And you don't even need nouns. You can have function words, grammatical words. Otherwise. You go, Male. You go, Nsombu blind. Not even words. You can have like parts of words, a suffix, the end part of a word. You know, like Alaska. Alasker, Nsomber, Replinder. Anything, any word, you know, you can think of anything you see around you. Miker, Stager, you know, Lafer, Biller, Udomer, Galaler, Replinder, Nsomber, you know. Anything you see around you. Powerful. Waking up in the morning, dressing up in the morning, putting on your clothes, you're missing a shoe. It's a Kwaito song on the spot. Sepestatulo sam, oh yes, silahlekile. Sepestatulo sam, oh tala ngisifuna. Then the time you're looking for it, ungazenza bricks. Sangithi bricks uthanda ukuzenza confused nyana. So you're looking for what? Yeah? Sipi. What? Huh? Yeah? And then nasi. And then guess the other one. Mele zibe together. Together. Shit. Kwaito, I'm here to tell you that Kwaito is a wonderful art form, guys. A beautiful art form, and we should espouse it. It should be part of national policy, and it should be like... Kwaito and politics go together. They go together. Kwaito and politics go together.